Before I jump into the video, please subscribe our channel. We daily upload videos about home remedies, health foods, weight loss and fat burning methods. You want to slim down a bit? You want to lose some fat from problem areas, such as your waist, back and thighs. You are ready to get healthy. But you don't want to go on some drastic fad diet. You definitely don't want to become the prisoner of a yo-yo effect. You want results in a simple and natural way. Ginger can help you with that. Benefits of ginger for weight loss. Research has shown that ginger is an excellent natural tool for supporting your weight loss journey. A 2004 study has found that ginger can lower cortisol levels, which is linked to weight gain. According to a 2012 study and 2013 research, ginger can help reduce body weight, improve metabolism and support weight management. A 2014 study found that ginger can suppress obesity caused by a high-fat diet. A more recent 2017 study supports the findings that ginger can be beneficial against obesity, as well as diabetes, heart disease and other diseases. Other benefits of ginger, such as reducing inflammation and supporting relaxation, can also aid weight loss and weight maintenance. Ginger has so many other health benefits too, including, helps relaxation, lowers inflammation, helps nausea, aids your digestion, lowers muscle pain, boosts your cognition, protects from cancer, lowers your cholesterol, betters your immune system. How to make ginger water. Ingredients: 3 to 4 slices of ginger root, 50 ounces of water, juice of 1 to 2 lemons. Optional. Instructions: boil the water in a pot. Add the ginger root. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Take it off the stove and let it cool. Add some lemon juice for flavor. Drink 1 glass in the morning and 1 in the evening. You can drink it throughout the day as you wish. You may store it in the fridge and add ice cubes on a hot day. Bonus tips: for extra flavor, you can add a drop of honey or maple syrup, a few mint leaves or a slice of orange as well. Other ways to use ginger. There are so many ways to use ginger. Add a knob of ginger to your green juices. Make ginger tea following the same recipe, but drinking your tea warm. Add it to curries, stir-fries and other cooked dishes. Add it to soups and dressings. Make gingerbreads and use it in other desserts and raw desserts. Make tonics, elixirs and wellness shots. Did you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and push like button for further updates.